Agartala police have busted a major drug racket, arresting 8 individuals involved in narcotics distribution across the city. Acting on intelligence, police seized brown sugar, mobile phones, cash, and a vehicle linked to the illegal trade. SDPO Debaprasad Roy stated the suspects were actively engaged in drug distribution. Authorities are investigating the market value of the seized drugs and identifying other accomplices. More arrests may follow as the probe continues. The Arunachal Pradesh government has pledged to strictly enforce laws against illegal gambling, unauthorized lottery sales and forceful donations, Deputy Chief Minister Chawna Main informed the State Assembly today. Responding to a private member resolution PMR by Congress MLA Kumar Y, Main admitted these illegal activities persist, especially in Itanagar. Y urged immediate action to curb unauthorized lottery sales and illegal donation. Calling the resolution relevant, Main assured stricter enforcement, citing financial harm caused by gambling. He emphasized the need for a goal-oriented administration and urged lawmakers to raise public awareness on the situation. The Department of Pharmaceuticals has submitted the Medical Glove Quality Control Order 2024 QCO to the WTO to ensure quality and regulatory oversight in India's healthcare and manufacturing industry. Once enforced, BIS certification will be mandatory for all medical and surgical gloves, curbing the influx of substandard imports from Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, and China. The move comes as the Indian Rubber Glove Manufacturers Association IRGMA exposes a major scam where importers are stockpiling low-quality non-medical gloves, repacking them as medical gloves and selling them to hospitals. The Donald Trump administration is preparing a new travel ban that could include a complete entry ban on citizens from Pakistan and Afghanistan. Sources in the Pakistani establishment told INS that the vetting process may reveal deficiencies leading to strict restrictions within the next 10 days. A reliable source confirmed that Afghanistan is set to be included in the list, with Pakistan also recommended for inclusion. Pakistan with valid US visas are urged to travel immediately before the ban takes effect. Mumbai City FC will take on Kerala Blasters FC at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Kochi in the Indian Super League ISL 2024-2025 tomorrow. The Islanders need just a point to secure a playoff spot as they are tied on 33 points with 6th place Odisha FC, who have completed their league run. Meanwhile, Kerala Blasters FC placed 9th with 25 points from 22 matches are out of playoff connection. Mumbai City FC, who won 4-2 in the reverse fixture in November, are aiming for the 24th league double in ISL history, equaling FC Goa's record. Kerala Blasters FC have conceded 36 goals this season, matching their highest tally in a single Indian Super League campaign 2020-2021, and have let in 34 goals against Mumbai City FC, with only FC Goa 50 scoring more against them.